Edge treatments.
Edge treatments add or remove material based on user-supplied parameters and are associated with the edge of a part. The edge treatment tools are located at the end of the feature tool palette. There are 3 edge treatments Platinum supports, which are lip, groove, and flange. Let's look at the groove tool. The groove tool removes material below the selected face on the selected edge using a supplied height, width, and angle. To use the groove tool, select the top face for the groove, the edge to remove the material, and specify the parameters in the data entry window. Next, let's look at the lip tool, which adds material above the selected face on the selected edge using height, width, angle values. Use the data entry window to explore different values for the height and the width of your lip. Let's also create a groove and show how the lip and the groove features can be used together. We'll create a quick groove on the part to the left, and then we'll go ahead and use our assembly tool to mate and align the lip and the groove features together. And now let's look at the flange tool, final tool in the edge treatment palette, where we select the face and the edge where we want a flange added to an existing part. And you have the offset and the thickness values that you can modify associated with this feature.
Thanks for watching.